We are seeing something similar happening to ChatGPT, where people start at google.com to type in ChatGPT to get to chatgpt.com and use the LLM model. 7.4% of chatgpt.com's traffic comes from google.com. So people are going to google.com, searching ChatGPT, and then going to OpenAI's ChatGPT. So there is this pattern where we're seeing the quote unquote lesser is being used to get to the desired result. Bing is used to get to Google. Maybe we'll start seeing Google being used to get to ChatGPT. Let's look at the fundamentals of Google stock. Google search revenue is growing even when under the threat by ChatGPT. From 2021 to 2025, we have seen a 59% increase in revenue, and Alphabet is not just a search engine business. They own YouTube, which has more watch time on televisions than Netflix. They own Google Cloud, which captures the compute demand during this AI revolution. And they have other bet category, which is their Waymo and driverless cars, for example. So their revenue streams continue to grow and are diversified. Compared to its historic self, Google is currently trading at a price to sales and price to free cash flow discount. For example, we can look at the price to free cash flow chart. The blue line is the price to free cash flow ratio for each quarter, while the orange line is the average price to free cash flow for the period. If the blue line goes below the orange line, then Google may be trading at a discount. If the blue line goes above the orange line, then Google may be trading at a premium. So let's put this to test. During 2022 and 2023, Google's share price was suppressed. If we pick a day in 2023 and say, hey, I'm going to buy Google stock because the price to free cash flow ratio signals a discount, then this position would be in the green. Of course, this is not 100% accurate, but using these financial ratios can be a good starting point for analysis. As of the most recent quarter, Google's price to free cash flow is below the orange line, making this potentially a good long-term entry point. Same with price to sales. The price to sales ratio signaled a discount on Google stock back in 2022, with the lowest occurring Q4 2022. Buying Google here would have nearly doubled in value.